In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic workflow board in Asana. Start by opening your browser on your PC and heading to asana.com. Once the page loads, click Login and enter your credentials so you're taken to your workspace. After you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is your hub for organizing work. Now click the New Project button, the one with the plus icon, to set up something from scratch. Choose Blank Project so you have full control over the structure and naming. When prompted, type your project name exactly as Basic Workflow. This keeps our example consistent and easy to follow. Next, select Board as the layout. A board arranges work into columns, which is perfect for visualizing progress at a glance. You'll now see a simple board with columns. Click the first column name to edit it, type To Do, and press Enter. Keep names short and action-oriented so everyone understands what belongs where. Now click Add Section to create your next stage, type in Progress, and press Enter. Repeat that again by clicking Add Section, typing Review, and pressing Enter. Finally, click Add Section once more, type Done, and press Enter. You've just created a clear 4-stage workflow that covers the journey from start to finish. Let's add your first piece of work. Under the To Do column, click Add Task and type your task name, then press Enter. Think of this as the title that tells your team what needs to happen. Click the task to open its details pane so you can make it actionable. Click Assign and choose a person who will be responsible for completing it. Clear ownership helps prevent tasks from getting stuck. Next, click Due Date and pick a date that aligns with your schedule. Deadlines keep the board moving and make priorities obvious. As work progresses, you'll move this task across the board. Start in To Do, then drag the task into In Progress when work begins, move it to Review once it's ready for checks or approvals, and finally drop it into Done when it's complete. The simple left-to-right motion gives you an instant snapshot of status without extra meetings or messages. If you keep task names concise and your column titles consistent, your board will stay readable and efficient. That's it. Your basic workflow board in Asana is ready. Use this structure to bring clarity, set expectations, and keep momentum on any project, big or small.